Hello, I'm Riccardo. I'm a PhD student at the House of Innovation and I study creative innovation and leadership practices in the context of innovation in the companies. I'm teaching with Pierre Tectin, which is an artist based in Paris, this workshop called Improbable Growth, an art thinking workshop. During this workshop, you will learn a creative practice. Practices that help us in our everyday work to make presentations, documents, prototypes, papers. But this won't be an usual or predictable process. In fact, this process is based on artistic practices like deviation, destruction, and critique. We think that usually when we build or we make things, we tend to fall in love with our creations and to consider only our perspective. Instead, through the practice of critique, you will learn to listen to the reflections of the others, of the instructors and other people in the workshop. To the practice of creative destruction, you will learn how to destroy your work and rethink your creations. And through the practice of deviation, you will learn how to engage with the context. There will be the other participants in the workshop, the room, the buildings, and the city. We are looking forward to see you here at the Stockholm School of Entrepreneurship for this improbable and hopefully interesting opportunity.